Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin and Cardano. In this video, we're going to take a look at the Cardano chart and the Bitcoin chart. Just wanted to update you really what's going on. And I mean, there are more and more positive news coming out about Cardano. The price still going down as the whole crypto market at the moment anyway. But a few comments maybe to the beginning. A lot of people get so upset here in the crypto market. I really don't get why. I read so many negative comments, not necessarily under my videos. Yes, there are the odd ones, but also under other YouTube creators videos and whatever. It's just, I don't understand why in the crypto market there is so much hate. It just doesn't make any sense to me, because in the end, everybody who's investing in crypto, and it doesn't matter which crypto it is, people, I think, believe in the concept, believe in the technology, believe in the idea behind crypto, even though not necessarily everybody understands what a blockchain is, but people still believe in the idea. Otherwise they wouldn't buy these coins or tokens. However, there are obviously always few people who don't really care, and it's still overall I don't understand why there's so much hate in the crypto market, with people, I hold this crypto, your crypto is rubbish. It's a bit like in the kindergarten, honestly, or in school. I don't really get why, because in the end, we all here, I guess, work on the same thing. We all try to achieve the same thing, which is in the end increasing adoption of crypto, which will lead to increasing prices, will lead to increasing profits, and will really drive towards mass adoption. So I don't really understand this, and I don't listen to them. Maybe I did that in the beginning, but in the end you need to get used to it as a creator anyway, but it just doesn't make any sense. And people who put these comments out or really have these negative ideas about different cryptos, it doesn't make sense. The only reason why I would be negative about a crypto is if the project is a scam, if there's clearly people behind it who want to do a rug pull or scam investors. And in any of the top 10 cryptos, certainly this is not the case. Well, Tether might be an exception, to be honest, but that's a separate story. So yeah, I don't get it. Just a few comments in the beginning, really, and I think it doesn't make any sense. People should rather stick together, especially at this time of the year. I appreciate not everybody celebrates Christmas or whatever, but still, people should stick together, right? This splitting and this hate, it just doesn't make any sense. But that's just a few words in the beginning. Overall, I remain really confident for the crypto market, even though I expect further price drops for Bitcoin, that, and for other cryptos, I expect price drops because of Bitcoin. I did explain where I see Bitcoin going, which is here below 30K. Absolutely, I stick with it. This is for me a bearish scenario that we have here on the chart. Short-term bearish. Still, though, after this, I expect a strong uptrend. And I don't expect, and I can be wrong here, I don't expect something like that, where we had a 1 or 2 year long bear market or just sideways move. I don't expect that. I do expect a fairly quick move up after we hit the target area down here below 30K. That's my expectation. Could be wrong. That's what I think, basically because of the fact that we are then going to go in a wave 3 hit to the upside, and also because I think that we are going to see more adoption here of cryptos in general. So it doesn't make any sense to me that we're going to see a 1 year or 2 year bear market here. Don't think so, but again, I could be wrong. We continue to see this bearish divergence here on the chart, which just makes very clear to me why we're dropping here for Bitcoin. And to be honest, the weekend started with a few surprises. So Bitcoin dropped briefly below that 47K level, that key support level that I gave you. If we drop below 47, I said, then and if we stay there, obviously, if this is a sustainable move below 47, then it's much more likely that we actually go down straight away without going into the yellow target area up here, lying between 55 and 63K roughly, right? We can overshoot it a little bit, maybe get a little bit lower, but this is the ideal target area where we would move into in a wave B before we come down in a wave C into that target area. That's my expectation. And what you need to see, if we break below 47 and then also break here below that 42K, then put your jackets on. It's getting colder, honestly. And then what you'll see, that many other crypto people and technical analysts and whatever, creators, whoever, will tell you, right, okay, well, the next level will be 40. Well, the next level will be 39. The next level will be 37, right? And but we're not going to get below 32. 30. But I stick with my scenario here. I think that's it is the most likely one, so I'll stick to it. There are obviously possibilities that we find support higher, but that is also why I started dollar cost average in at some point here, just to have that hedge in case we really go up higher. But even if we then drop lower, and that's my strategy, even if we then drop lower, I'm very certain that from here we get the turnaround, and then it doesn't really matter if I bought at 38, did I buy at 35, did I put another buy order in at 32, it doesn't matter, because in here I will maximize what I buy. And if we go up from here and don't even see the target area, honestly, I'm happy as well. It works for me, and that's just what I can tell you. You know what works for me here on this channel. And if anybody, and that's just because people ask all the time, right? Oh, where should I go in? I can't tell you if you should buy or not. But what I can tell you, this is an ideal setup here. So we've got two scenarios. The first scenario is that we go into the target area here and then go down. And the second one is that we go down straight away in both scenarios. So if anyone wanted to make some profits of this potential move up, and this is true for every crypto basically that is in the same pattern, and I cover a few of them on this channel, you could go long, and that's just an idea. It's no financial advice. It's a possibility what you can do. I'm not doing this because I already am heavily invested in crypto, so I'm not want to add any more at the moment. I'm just wait for lower prices. Have my buy orders on Discord. You could set a stop loss below 47, for example, or below the previous low here. Just an idea, maybe 46, depending on your own risk level, whatever, and then go long. Right, and if we drop below that 47, 46k, then yeah, you have a bit of a loss, but at least you had a chance to make massive profits here. If we go up from here, there's at least, even to the lowest level, will be a 15-16%. If we go somewhere at around here 58k, which is what probably I expect, somewhere in the middle here, then you've got 20%, and you've got the stop loss set. If it's triggered, it's triggered, not a problem. Everybody who's trading needs to get familiar with the idea that there will be losses, nobody can win 100%. But that's an idea, go up here. That's the idea, going up here, go along, set a stop loss below that. And if we go down straight away, then the idea is to buy more down there. That's my view. Cardano fairly, project is doing well in my view. We've got the ERC20 converter now finished on the testnet. It's obviously on the testnet now running, which will make it much easier for ERC20 tokens to be moved over to Cardano. Then we've got Sunday Swap, testnet. DEXs are coming. They're coming. It just takes a bit of time. Overall, a good project still. Strong community. People just lost a bit of patience, and I understand that, but still, there's no place for hatred here in the crypto market, in my view. What we see here is this trend line that I never showed you, and someone showed it on the Telegram channel a few days ago. Just want to show you that as well. We've got this support line. Actually, it looks very interesting. Started actually back here. I can probably extend it a little bit. I think we had some more support back here, and that support line is currently sitting at 115. So it will be very interesting what happens if we actually get to that level. We came very close already, so it's that 115 level. Really looking interesting here. On the Kraken exchange, this one is. I think on Binance we already were at 115. So that would be interesting. I think if we lose that, then yeah, then we'll see a strong drop to $1 probably. But yeah, it's an interesting one. Interesting support line. Can give you a bit of hope, and me as well. And that's interesting. So that level here, and overall, as you know, Cardano has already corrected quite a lot. We were even in the oversold area again here on the daily. And overall, I still like the chart. I still think it's a bullish looking chart. You make clear waves here. You make higher lows overall. You make higher highs. So we'll see. We'll see what happens next. You know what I think. So I still would stick with my scenario, as I still stick with a Bitcoin scenario. I'm not going to change that just because we go lower here. There are certain levels when this will get invalidated, but we're not there yet. And you know the level. I think this was a wave 1, then we came down in wave 2, wave 3 hit to the upside, wave 4 to the downside. No, sorry, we are still not in a wave 4. We are still in this wave 3. So that would indicate we need to move higher here, make the wave 3 happen, and these levels would be $4.50, $5. Only if we drop below $1, I think that would get sort of invalidated. Yes, that would be. So I think it's around 96 cents actually it needs to. All right, so sorry about the noise outside. I better finish the video now. So hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.